Hey, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by designing a landing page, not sure where to put what, wondering if there's a better way than just guessing, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can teach yourself landing page design using AI, but not just any AI, an AI that's built on solid, researched-backed principles so you know exactly where to put every element in less than 10 minutes so that you don't have to second guess it. Let's get started. First things first, I'm Alexander Velechko, and I've achieved conversion lifts of as much as 8 times using the methodology that powers this AI, both for small businesses and enterprise corporations. And right here, you've got this entire SWAT team of geniuses who are pre-trained in all this knowledge and insights so that you know what to do and where to put, from the call to action to the content, all the way to the headlines. And let me show you how it works. So let's start by doing a few things. We want to have a clear objective in mind of what you want to sell through your landing page. What type of product is it? Is it physical or digital? Talk to the marketing professor. Okay? And we're just going to ask it to imagine something. I would like to create a digital product on how to use an easy, intuitive to use, and also flexible CRM that integrates with all sorts of softwares and apps. This CRM is called Leads Intel. It comes with a bunch of automations. The objective of this product is to get more ROI out of your existing contacts and how to better monetize new customers. Could you please give me a possible ICP for this product and a specific audience? Use your imagination. Now see how I just voice typed it just like that. Voice typing is a little bit different than just typing in the respect that you're speaking your thoughts out loud. You don't have time to go back and edit everything. Creating a digital product focused on leveraging a CRM like Leads Intel requires a nuanced understanding of the potential users and their unique needs. Here we have an ICP, entrepreneurs, business owners, sales managers, and marketing professions, technology, real estate, financial services, and consulting. Urban centers where technology adoption. This is nice. Values efficiency, behavioral traits. Considering the ICP, a well-defined target audience for your digital product would be entrepreneurs and business owners in the small to medium business size sector. Excellent. Let's find a specific niche from that. Excellent. Thank you so much for your work. Now, could you please zero in on a specific niche? I really want this landing page to be targeted towards one type of user. Now, notice how I'm giving the feedback to the AI expert. It understands feedback. Real estate professionals? Okay, cool. Let's let it write this. And now we have the information to craft the landing page. And now we're going to switch to the copywriter landing page. Again, this is a whole team. You would communicate to it as if you were bringing work from one team member to another. Now, can you please create a landing page based on the above information? Simple as that. No complex prompt engineering, just talking to an AI. So this is the landing page content that's organized into 8 different micro yeses, which represent the steps in the customer journey, the little transactions that someone takes before they ultimately decide to take action on your offer. Now all this is great, but the whole point of this video is being certain about where to put all these elements. And you're probably thinking to yourself, well, where do I put these? Not to worry. This next step is what you've come here for. It's the step that's going to alleviate all of your worries. Excellent job from all. Copywriter landing pages did a really good job of creating a good landing page. Now, of course, I would like to revise it a bit more afterwards, but the most important thing right now is implementation, and that's where I'm kind of stuck. Could you please tell me exactly where to put every single element on the landing page? Notice how I'm being polite to the assistant. See? Logo, top left-hand corner, above the fold. Navigation bar, simplified. Headline, centered large clear font, subheadline directly under the headline. See, this is exactly what you and I need. Next section, following section, use quotes with pictures of the testimonial givers for authenticity. Side-by-side layout with the explanatory caption on one side and the graphic on the other. See, you can expand on this in all sorts of ways. If it's not detailed enough for you, you can always ask it to put, okay, if I had to put elements left or right in the different rows, where would I do that? For now, you can see that you already have a guide on how to build a landing page. How to build all this content into a landing page. But that's not all. There's the why behind it and the how behind it. It's not just about layout and elements, it's about understanding why these choices work. So let's find out what principles are behind this design. Could you please explain to me why you made the suggestions you did? Could you expand on the principles behind this design so I can understand why every single decision you are making for me is the right one? Would much appreciate it. Again, completely voice typed, automatically punctuated. Research and heat maps show that's what's visible without scrolling above the fold captures the most immediate attention. Placement of the call to action. Early visibility follows the principle that users should not have to search for a way to take action. Simplified navigation, rooted in Hick's law. Structured layout follows a logical narrative, introducing the product, illustrating its benefits, providing evidence through testimonials. And see, I kept my promise. In less than 10 minutes, you have a product page that is already ready to build inside of a landing page builder like our own Leads and Tell, or anything else, be it in WordPress or ClickFunnels or something else. And there you have it, a smart, data-driven approach to landing design, right at your fingertips. And by applying these insights, you can see the landing page take shape, designed not on hunches, but on proven principles. The difference between this and ChatGPT is not really pre-trained. It's just pooled ignorance. Here, every single element is optimized for engagement and conversion. But what if you have specific challenges or need personalized advice? That's why I'm excited to offer you a free 15-minute strategy session. Actually, scratch that. Let's not even call it a strategy session, because strategy sessions, overused, lame, marketing terminology. Let's call it a results section. You know why? Because at the other side of this session, you are going to get a tangible result. You're going to get a deliverable. Come to me with your design struggles, and I'm going to give you not only this exact plan to build a landing page, but you can continue interacting with this plan to ask it any question you want. Beyond just a guide, you'll get the chance to talk through your specific needs with someone who has the expertise. If you're ready to elevate your landing page design from good to great and eliminate all those web page builders blocks using this SWAT team of geniuses and getting personalized support along the way, click the link below to get a time with me. This is the future of landing page design. It's here. It's now. Not tomorrow. Now. It's straightforward and effective, and it's already yours for the taking. Can't wait to see what you're going to create. Thanks for coming and learning with me. Subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I'll see you on the other side.